Today I present to you a delicious vegetarian recipe. Potato and bean burgers, a tasty and crunchy dish, perfect for those looking for an alternative to traditional hamburgers. Ingredients: 400 grams of already cooked cannellini beans, 300 grams of potatoes, 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of chopped rosemary, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil. Start by boiling the potatoes. After cleaning them, cut them into pieces and cook them in boiling salted water until they are soft. While the potatoes are cooking, rinse the beans and let them drain well. In a large bowl, mash the beans with a fork or a potato masher until you get a uniform mixture. When the potatoes are cooked, drain them and mash them. Then mix them with the beans. Add the finely chopped garlic, rosemary, salt, pepper, and combine all the ingredients together. If the mixture is too wet, you can add breadcrumbs until you reach the desired consistency. Shape the burgers with the mixture and let rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up a little. Heat a pan with a drizzle of olive oil and cook the potato and bean burgers until they are golden on both sides. To give an Italian touch to your burgers, add a pinch of oregano or basil and season with a drizzle of tomato sauce and a sprinkling of grated Parmesan cheese. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest recipes. The potato and bean burgers are an excellent source of protein and fiber, ideal for a balanced vegetarian diet. Moreover, their versatility allows you to create new variants by adding the spices and herbs you prefer the most. Visit our website for more recipes and tasty ideas.